Welcome to this video where we're going to explore the translation feature of the Trupeer platform. Right here, we have a document in front of us. If you look up top, you'll notice there are several options available for editing this document. Feel free to make any necessary edits to the document. Once you're satisfied with the changes, it's time to focus on translation. There's an option for that which allows us to choose from over 65 supported languages. You can translate the document into any of these languages, which is quite convenient. For this demonstration, let's go with German. Just by selecting it, in a matter of seconds, you'll see the document transformed into German. Everything, including the title, description, and detailed steps, is seamlessly translated. It's clear that language will no longer be a barrier when it comes to knowledge sharing, product videos, or communication with your team. At Trupeer, we are committed to ensuring that language is never an obstacle. We hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy the ease of communication. Happy Trupeering!